one pool?
Many. The one you see, the one I see, and the world of each. The world you live in is mysterious, exciting, unknown, and mine is older, familiar, and cool. You will never know my world, or I yours.
Never.
Can you see with my eyes? Think with my brain?
But Master, you are one with the universe. So am I.
We are one. Yet we are not the same. 10 million living things have as many different worlds. Do not see yourself as the center of the universe, wise and good and beautiful. Seek rather wisdom, goodness and beauty, that you may honor them everywhere.